Okay, the latest Nissanthera OS version 3.1 official version is already released and it's available for some other devices. Like for example, I've tried and installed it on my Redmi Note 9 Pro. Also, I tried and installed on my Redmi Note 10 Pro also, and maybe if your device didn't got this update yet, you might get update very soon. We're going to talk about the changes which you get here, the issues, so the change log related things here. The first one is the signal related things. You have the new status bar signal icons. You can customize that in very easy way. This was not available in the previous updates, and then this update they have added this. You can also customize the Wi-Fi icon, so both of the things can be customizable very easily. Some options are available. By the way, these are almost same like Ancient OS. Ancient OS also has these same things, same signal bar related customizations and Wi-Fi related customizations, so as this one. So if you like this, if you are a lover who always customize status bar things, then this update might be a good choice for you. So this is the first change which we get here after installation of this Nissanthera OS latest version. You have approximately 7 to 8 styles of status or signal icons and 7 to 8 styles for Wi-Fi icons. Whichever you use, whichever you want to use, you can simply use it, select it, and you also don't need to reboot your device. Simply just it will automatically restart the system UI, and as you can see, the status bar icons are done. This is how you can customize these things. The second change which we have in our list is the switches. We have these new switches available: Android 12A, Android 12B. Whenever you apply any switch from here, as you can see, this is the new switch which is called Android 12B, which has only color change. For example, if I disable this and if I go and enable Android 12A style switch here, then you will see a change there. Let me just show you which is the change. If you enable this, as you can see, only color has been changed, nothing else has been changed here. Everything is same, like the tick icon is still there after enabling this switch here. And like this, if you compare, if you want to check it out, other switch styles, we have OnePlus, Telegram, Material Design, and OnePlus switches are kind of normal one. It is not from OnePlus, or you can say Exynos 11 switches. These are normal OnePlus switches, so basic things are out there. In the terms of clock customizations, we have some new clocks available for you. If you check out these clocks, of course, the type MNML Xbox, Sneaky, MNML Minimal, and all these clock styles are already present. But of course, Android 12 style switches, right now all the custom rooms are just getting all those Android 12 features. For example, this kind of clocks, new volume panel, these kind of things are almost same and normal things going on. In the upcoming .os update, we might see the new Android 12 developer preview 3 style wallpaper and style beta 3 preview like this. Now we also have the new volume panel here, and volume panel includes many options like MIUI style volume panel. If you like this, you can enable this. P404 project 404 custom room style volume panel. But this is the main thing, which is called Shapeshift volume panel, which means Android 12 style volume panel available for you. Looks quite interesting one. So these are the changes which you get here. This is the new change which include the status bar lyric, show lyric in the status bar, and of course they wrote that need app support. So yes, if you have an app which does not support this, then this feature might not work for you. And I'm not sure which apps are supported for this. The feature isn't tested by me, but included this one. I seen this feature in other custom rooms also. We'll try to find out if this feature working with which kind of apps, so I'll share with you very soon for that. Last but not the least, the fonts are also there, and these fonts are actually quite good. These are interesting one because this will apply everywhere. These are not the normal fonts that whenever you apply, it will not apply in the third-party apps, but these fonts will be applied in third-party apps and everywhere, browser, anywhere, these fonts will be applied. And this is a new theming engine, so finally they've improved something. This is what I liked a lot about all these changes. This is one of those changes which I liked a lot. Everything else I've already shown you. These are some major changes which you get here, but if you still want to try it out, link is in the description. If your device didn't got it, you might get very soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, have a nice day.